Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Another Photoshop mask that's really useful for design is called a clipping mask. Now let me show you how it works. So over here, I have this image and I want it to kind of like stick on the edges of this photo, but not on the whole page. I just want it on this image, these heart illustrations. So what I'll do is I'll come to where it is, turn it on, then select it, right click and click on the create clipping mask command, and then it will kind of tape itself around that image. Now the good thing with this is that you can come here with this layer selected and kind of move it around to see where you want it to fit, or I can come to the layer with the image and move the image around and kind of position the background well. So that's how you use a clipping mask. I have this text over here and I also have this image that I want to kind of tape around that text. So this is the text, this is the text, and this is that layer with the image. So I'll select that layer, right click and click on create clipping mask, and as you can see it will kind of tape itself around that image. Now I can move that image around to adjust it, or I can come to the text layer and move the text around until I find the right adjustment. Let's say place it over here. And this is a good way of masking things because it's non-destructive. That means I can come later on and make changes. I can come over here. Let's go back to the first one. So let's say now I use this one, but now I changed my mind. I want to use this image instead. What I can do is I can come back here, right click and select release clipping mask. Now once I do that, if I turn this off, you see it hasn't damaged my image. As you can see, it's still the way it was before. Then I'll move this down over here, right click and say create clipping mask, and now you've changed the clipping mask you're using. Adjust it to how you want it, and there you have it. Now this is a completely non-destructive way of working, and once you find the place you like, you can select both layers, this one holding down the shift button and this one, then you can mix them and you can move them together as a group.